Did you know that AmpQuartz offer aluminium type of kitchen cabinet that will be perfect for your wet kitchen?
Did you know that AmpQuartz offers you cabinet with built-in LED lighting?
Did you know that we offer variety of finishes and colors to match your kitchen decor perfectly?
Did you know that AmpQuartz offer you custom pantry cabinet to maximize your kitchen cabinet storage?
Did you know that AmpQuartz uses ACP to create a modern look for kitchen cabinet?
Did you know we offer alcohol accessories, which is reliable for cabinet construction?
Did you know that AmpQuartz provide kitchen cabinet with customized pull-out spice tray for easy organization?
Did you know that at AmpQuartz we offer many design and color for your kitchen cabinets?
Hey, did you know that we offer full aluminium cabinets for a sleek and durable kitchen? Did you know that we use solid plywood in our cabinet construction for enhanced strength and durability?
Did you know that AmpQuartz offer customizable kitchen cabinet that comes with appliances garages for keeping your countertops clutter-free?
Did you know that at AmpQuartz, we provide you long-lasting kitchen cabinet material?
Did you know that AmpQuartz cabinets can be equipped with accessories for additional functionality?
Did you know that AmpQuartz offer personalized kitchen cabinet that comes with soft close hinge to prevent door slamming?
Did you know that AmpQuartz uses high-quality bloom accessories for durable and smooth kitchen operations?
With lightweight yet sturdy solution storage. Terbalik. Did you know that
We also have excellent carpentry for our kitchen cabinets and countertops, especially for the customization and innovation that are becoming more and more popular in the current era. Firstly, we offer dedicated cabinet consultant to accompany your journey of buying your own ideal kitchen cabinet and countertops. Secondly, we also go to further as finance your personal ideal kitchen cabinet. We offer 24 months of installments with 0% of interest. Last but not least, you will be given up to 3 times of free 3D drawings, and this is because we want to ensure that our craftsmanship, our customized kitchen cabinet and countertops will eventually meet your needs and desire according to your own household. Finally, remember to visit us at Taman Gaya to lock down the price now with us, as the price of renovation costs are keep increasing due to the supply chain and the economy of Malaysia. Act now.